Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we're talking about how to turn off autoplay lecture on Udemy. Maybe you find it distracting or annoying that the next lecture automatically plays after you finish watching a lecture on Udemy. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay lecture on Udemy. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Udemy application and log into your account. After that, go to your account page by tapping on this profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, under Video Preferences, tap on this Video Playback Options tab. Here, you can see two options. Since you wanted to turn off Autoplay Lecture, simply toggle off this button. This will now prevent the next lecture from playing automatically when the current lecture ends. Take note that turning off autoplay lectures will not affect your progress tracking. You can still track your progress and resume where you left off, even if you manually select which lecture to watch next. So there you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off autoplay lecture on Udemy, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn off autoplay lecture on Udemy, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.